Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a very useful recipe, a homemade flour recipe that is very useful for the newborn babies and as well as kids. I'm adding half cup of ragi, which is also known as the finger millet, to a bowl. Step 1, I'm going to add water to the ragi and I'm going to wash this well 3 to 4 times to get rid of the dust and the particles that are present in the ragi. Make sure that you clean it well. So now after cleaning, I have drained the water and it is well cleansed. Now I'm adding some more water that is required to soak the ragi. We have to completely immerse the ragi till it is completely soaked, and I'm going to soak it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, I am draining it in a soft cloth. If you can see, the ragi is well soaked, and now we can just get rid of the drained water. We can use the drained water as a plant fertilizer as well. And now we are folding the ragi and keeping it inside a vessel and leave it for 48 hours for sprouting. Now after 48 hours, here we can see our ragi is very well sprouted. Sprouted ragi has numerous benefits, especially for diabetic patients, kids and newborn babies who are into food practice. So now I am transferring this ragi to a kadai for the frying process. You can indeed dry this ragi in hot sun, but today I am going to just fry it for 10 minutes until the moisture in the ragi is thoroughly removed. So if we see here, ragi powder is very rich in iron, potassium and protein. It helps the newborn kids to get the rich source of calcium, especially also to the newborn mums who to increase their milk production. It ensures better absorption of iron in the body, the high fiber content for better digestion, and this powder is an excellent choice for the babies, helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Now if you see, the ragi has popped well and it's cooled completely. I'm going to add this ragi into a mixer jar and we are going to grind this ragi into a smooth powder. And now if you see, the ragi powder is ready, but before storing it in a container, I'm going to sieve it well to get rid of the dust and the remains from the ragi. It helps the body to relax naturally, a necessary component of a gluten-free diet. So it means the persons who are very concerned about their weight can make use of this ragi powder recipe, and it also helps in aiding digestion as well as it is sprouted. So please do try this recipe at home and give your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon below for your future notifications. Stay connected. Keep watching. Happy cooking.